Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Monday, March 28th. I'm Emergency Management Administrator Elton Ushio. We've reached a milestone in our community's team effort against COVID-19 with the ending of the Governor's emergency order. Mahalo to our public health workers, county workers, healthcare workers, National Guard, state agencies, community-based organizations, volunteers, and all of the partners who helped Kauai get through the past 2 years. And a huge mahalo to all of you around the island who came together to keep our community safe through these challenging times. While masks are no longer required by law, we saw a lot of people choosing to wear masks in stores over the weekend. Thanks everyone for respecting each other and our choices for our families. No need for stink eye. Keep in mind that federal regulations still require masks on public transportation. Masks are still required at the airport and on airplanes, on the Kauai bus, the North Shore shuttle to Haena, and any other shuttles and tour buses. Please wear a mask on the bus. Mayor Kawakami is out on the west side this morning with our team handing out free home test kits. We have a total of 15,000 home test kits available, and you still have time to pick up your kits this week. On Tuesday, March 29, test kits will be available on the North Shore. We'll be at the Hanalei Neighborhood Center from 9 a.m. to noon and the Kilauea Neighborhood Center from 1 to 4 p.m. On Wednesday, March 30th, you can pick up your tests at Hanapepe Neighborhood Center between 9 a.m. and noon or the Kalaheo Neighborhood Center from 1 to 4 p.m. Thursday, March 31st, we'll be at the Anahola Clubhouse from 9 to noon and the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex in Kapa'a from 1 to 4 p.m. And the final day, Friday, April 1st, at the Koloa Neighborhood Center from 9 to noon and the Hui Neighborhood Center from 1 to 4 p.m. The full schedule is posted at the kauai.gov/COVID test and on our County of Kauai Facebook page. The free test kits are provided by the County of Kauai in partnership with the Department of Health Kauai District Health Office using federal funding. Please respect our limit of 5 kits per household. Now it's time for Ask Dr. B with our Kauai District Health Officer, Dr. Janet Berriman. Dr. B, what do you recommend about wearing masks now that it's not required by law?
Thank you, Elton, and thank you to all of you out there for your efforts over the last 2 years. Our case count is thankfully low, but COVID is still here in our community. Our 7-day case average is now about 5 cases per day, with a test positivity rate under 3%. We can and should all continue to take steps to protect ourselves and those around us. While masks are no longer required, many of us will continue to wear a mask at some times and in some places. Masks remain an important tool to prevent getting or spreading COVID-19. Masks are recommended if you're in a crowded setting. Masks are especially important if you are unvaccinated, elderly, have underlying health conditions, or care for people at high risk of contracting severe COVID. Please respect the choices we will each make in the coming weeks to wear a mask or not to do so.
Aside from choosing to wear a mask, what other steps can we take to protect ourselves, especially those with health conditions?
You can protect yourself by staying up to date on your COVID-19 vaccinations, including getting a booster if you're eligible. Vaccines provide strong protection against hospitalization and severe COVID. The FDA is currently considering recommendations for second boosters. When those recommendations are finalized, those who are eligible should get their second booster. Stay tuned for more information. Second boosters are not recommended yet. Stay home if you're sick and get tested if you were exposed to COVID-19 or have COVID-like symptoms. Pick up your free test kits so you can have them if you need them. Test kits are also available for purchase at pharmacies around the island, and if you have insurance, you may be able to get reimbursed if you buy a test. We don't know what the coming weeks and months will bring, but we have proven tools that we can all use to help minimize the impact of future COVID-19 surges or variants here on Kauai.
Speaking of variants, what is the latest on the Omicron BA.2 subvariant in Hawaii?
The BA.2 subvariant has been detected in Kauai wastewater, and statewide sampling has found it present in all counties in individual case samples and/or in wastewater. We know the BA.2 subvariant is here and in many places on the mainland. We don't know yet how the variant may affect cases and hospitalizations in our community. As with prior variants, we can continue taking steps to minimize spread of disease. Wear masks as recommended in crowded indoor or poorly ventilated places, stay home when you're sick, and get tested or take a home test if you have symptoms or have been exposed. And of course, if you've not been vaccinated or have not received your booster, please consider doing so.
Thanks, Dr. B. The mobile hospital vaccine van will hold a free vaccine clinic this Thursday, March 31st, at the Hanalei Neighborhood Center from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., open to ages 12 and older. Wilcox Medical Center holds clinics for ages 5 and older every Wednesday. For more information, visit wilcoxhealth.org/vaccine. Vaccines are available every day at pharmacies and clinics around the island. Pediatric vaccines for ages 5 to 11 are available at Walmart, Long's Kukui Grove, and Kaiser. Vaccines for ages 12 and older are widely available. For a full list of locations, visit kauai.gov/vaccine. Finally today, as part of National Fair Housing Month in April, the Kauai County Housing Agency and other state and county agencies will be providing free online training opportunities for landlords and tenants to learn about the most current federal and state fair housing laws. The first training takes place Monday, April 7th at 10 a.m. To register, find the link on our County of Kauai Facebook page. Mahalo, Kauai.